Can you believe it? You can't see air, but we know air is there. How? Because you can see the effects of air. Here, we can use this to see the effects of air. Now you know that this is a ball, and if I bounce the ball, it's going to come back up. What if I could do more? Oh, here's a way we can find out what air can do. Boys and girls, maybe we can use this fun home device. Let's see. That's one way you can experiment with air at home.
Very expensive scientific object. It's a trash bag. And you get to hold one too, just like that, right out in front of you, just that far apart, right up there. Perfect. Boys and girls, young scientists, I've got my special wind-blowing machine. I think that if I were to blow air right through these two trash bags, that air ought to blow the bottom of the bags away or blow it out. But Bernoulli says, I don't think it could be true, that if I blow the air through, it will make the pressure lower in here, the pushing, than it is from the outside. So the outside pressure would make the bags go in. Young scientists, are you ready to try it? Let's see if we can try an experiment. All right, here we go. Watch. Did the bags go out or did they go in? In, that's right. Let's do it one more time. Hold them right up there. Good. Watch. Amazing. Put those bags down. Young scientists, whatever you do, you can get a wind machine and two trash bags and do that experiment too. And if you do, you will prove the Bernoulli principle. Give him a wave, give him a wave.
I don't think, Lacey. Can move just a little bit closer. Good. Let's see again. What happens if we blow the